alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Maryam Idris. I am a language instructor in the Skylark Institute of English Language, Bukhara campus. Today our video is about collocations. To be more like a native speaker. Basically collocations का जो इस्तेमाल है वो बहुत ज़रूरी है अंग्रेज़ी ज़ुबान में. Collocations basically ऐसे अल्फाज होते हैं जो दूसरे लफ्ज़ के साथ आना उनका बहुत ज़रूरी है. उसके बगैर वो लफ्ज़ नामुकम्मल होता है. Collocations basically अंग्रेज़ी ज़ुबान में इस तरह के दो वर्ड्स होते हैं जो एक दूसरे को कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं. स्पेशली व्हेन आई से फास्ट फूड, तो इसका मतलब कतई नहीं कि मैं फास्ट की जगह क्विक भी लगा सकती हूँ. इसी तरीके से दूसरा सेंटेंस अगर मैं देखूँ, क्विक शावर, आई एम टेकिंग अ क्विक शावर, लेट मी टेक अ क्विक शावर. सो क्विक कैन नॉट कम इन द सेंस ऑफ फास्ट which we did in fast food. इसका मतलब ये आपको ये लग रहा है कि जी फास्ट फूड के साथ मैंने लगाया तो मैं क्विक लगा सकती हूँ, फास्ट लगा सकती हूँ, फास्ट शावर कर सकती हूँ. No, not at all. They don't go along with that. Such type of words or phrases are called collocations. So in English there are 7 types of collocations. The first type of collocation that we go through is the adverb and adjective. The second type is adjective plus noun. The third kind of collocation is noun plus noun. Fourth, noun plus verb. Fifth, verb plus noun. Sixth, verb plus preposition expression. 7, verb plus adverb. Collocation and its types. The normal function it plays in a particular sentence or in a particular word. Adverb plus adjective. If you want to see the function of adverb plus adjective, तो ये कैसे आते हैं? जैसा कि sentence word है completely satisfied. यानी completely satisfied is basically an adverb plus adjective collocation. Utterly stupid. He is utterly stupid person. Second collocation, adjective plus noun. Like we have an example, a regular exercise, maiden voyage. The third, noun plus noun, means both of the words should contribute noun as noun. Round of applause, cease fire agreement. Further, the next type, noun plus verb, like lion roar, man shouts or yells, dog barks. Verb plus noun. So we have the verb plus noun example, a very beautiful example. Commit suicide or commit mistake, do my homework, make the bed. 6, verb plus preposition. Burst into tears, filled with horror. That is the example of verb plus preposition. The 7th is verb plus adverb. Placed gently, whispered softly. So this is basically the examples of the collocation and particularly the functions that play in a sentence. Now on the screen you can see there is a collocations with the take word. So like take a seat, take a shower, take care, take a look, take a test, take care of, take a bow, or take a taxi. So we have this particular word should come with the particular words. Like I can't say have a seat. You can say that, have a seat. This is a word which can contribute, which can come with other words easily. So on the next, I have the word break. So we have the sentences as we see over here. I had to break the news. Break the news. And secondly, we had break someone's heart. Break the heart. And break a record. He had break a racket. He has broken a racket. So that is how we can use that collocations. So break the ice, simply break a leg. So that's how we usually use collocations in our sentences. That's all from my side today. I hope you find collocations lecture informative as well as interesting. और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको काफ़ी हद तक collocations को समझ और उसका इस्तेमाल भी आ गया होगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।